Welcome to my new episode of Price Prediction for Polygon on April 2024. We're going to talk about the last 2 weeks that are left out of April and share with you the strong probabilities of the market at the moment. After major decreases, major numbers towards the downside, we would like to see what are the possibilities for the market to recover. And before we dive into Polygon charts, I'd like to share with you a number around the BTC as well, which is something that we definitely consider an indicator of the market. Bitcoin is actually holding the line. It's actually holding the zone of support right here, just like I've been portraying in my other videos. We do have a correlation with the wicks and great reactions of the past that have been triggering massive buying pressures and allowing us to test levels above $70,000, which have been rejected quite a few times out there, just like you can see that. In this case scenario, we're looking for seeing a reaction that takes us to $70,000 and looking forward breaking out of the upper supply, including the resistance from the top. We're looking forward restarting and continuing at the end of the day with the bullish cycle environment, especially that halving might be the trigger point. We do get the halving in a day and a couple of hours. We do get the market conditions that are coming after major sell-offs, which are quite good for that. It's a day and 16 hours and the halving is going to be completed and accomplished. Right, so the target is very clear to the upside, folks. 68%, $68,000 the first one. You might come back into the 65 and then push basically for the $72,000, where the big fight is going to be starting. Anything above 70 grand will mean a big fight for the BTC. Once again, like the video and subscribe, and for those of you that enjoy trades, I do have my BTC long, still active, still above the million in profit, and still enjoying. Cannot complain about anything. We get paid for the funding fees. There's many people shorting it, which makes the funding fee negative, so we get paid by holding this trade. Beautiful. In the meantime, if you would like to join my trades on a ChatGPT bot trading completely done for you, you can join, including the one-on-one coaching. I'll talk about it at the end of the video, folks. Now it's time to share more details on Polygon and look into the situation of the market. This is where we are with this one on the daily candles, and I definitely have to measure the retracement and share that with you. We got a 55% dump. This is a massive correction for a bull market on the altcoins. This is a correction that must trigger from this level a steady and slow increase, which should at least bring us into the dollar mark. I mean, that dollar has to be quickly achieved, and then a confirmation above the blue line, which means 200 days moving average. You need to reclaim that, which is also part of what we had in the past, in order to speak about the bullishness of Polygon. Otherwise, we don't speak about bullishness. We speak about possibility of reversing from bearishness, which is what we're hunting these days, and definitely not a continuation of the movement towards the downside. We're sitting on a strong demand here, and we have actually sold quite a lot at everything we had. I mean, Polygon is almost back at levels it used to be in September, October, right before the altcoin rally started, and that is nuts, right? So honestly, you are quite a couple of cents. It's about 14-15 cents away from the bottom and from the lows of the rally, which means a huge retracement, which also means that we have not moved that much, just 150% in 150 days. Touching basically the upper resistance of the entire accumulation stage. There's been charts out there that have published Polygon has been still during an accumulation phase. Without breaking out of the green line from the top, you are not out of the accumulation stage charts. You're still in that. So you're going to have a nice time retesting that, probably around 1.20s, 1.15. It really depends when do you want to test that out, because the trending line is going to come in like that. So the first job right now is to reclaim 200 days moving average. In order to reclaim that, you need to push higher, retrace back to it. Pushing higher means pushing close to the dollar mark, retrace back to the 85 cents where your 200 days is going to be located at that time. And in that case scenario, you must confirm above it at least once. If you confirm above it, you start a rally like that. Otherwise, you will not. You simply come back into the demand zone once again. And so on until you have the capability to reclaim your 200 days moving average on the daily. Beautiful. That's where we are, folks, with this one. Short and straight to the point with proper and very clear ideas on the topic. Check out this video till the end if you care about your education, if you believe education can improve the level of your performance, or if you would like basically to join the ChatGPT bot trading and have the trading done for you through that system. Check out the video till the end. And now I would like to talk for those of you that believe in education and care about their performance. So it's time to share more details about my one-on-one coaching program. This is done with me live, where I'll take you by hand, just like I said, and teach you how to trade from A to Z, which means starting from the mindset psychology side into the technical analysis, understanding the language of the market, encrypting the charts, and being familiar with the language in terms of what does the market communicates with you. Understand the whole process and then know how to react to those messages that the markets are delivering to you guys. Knowing how to react obviously is a sophisticated process. How to trade, when to trade, what to trade, when to exit, how to exit, and how to deal with an active trade. All the situations that are considered complex and a trader needs to know. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time trading, it doesn't matter. What matters is you need to increase your educational level in order to perform in the markets correctly and most likely in a predictable way. Trading is not gambling, not at all. Trading is a type of activity where a person is trading an asset when the probabilities of a direction are very high. So he has the ability to recognize those moments when a probability compared to the other, so a energy of bullishness or bearishness, is having a very strong possibilities of going into a direction. This is when a trader steps in and it is an advantage towards the market, so he's trying to make money with that. That's the whole idea of the process. It's definitely not something that has a very high level of unknown and random outcome at all the times. No, there are situations like that as well. I can confirm that. Been trading since 2014 full time. But the idea is that there are situations where the randomness or the unpredictability is not high. And that makes the spots for the traders. So check out the video to understand how does it work. Register now for a free conversation with me, a one-on-one coaching where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you how to trade on Zoom conversations with homework, with exercises, with everything that is needed. Just like for the completely done for you on the trading side, if you'd like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees. Just a commission from the profits we earn. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. This is my journey. You can check out the links in the description area, in the comments area for everything. It's completely done for you. We are using our ChatGPT bot for trading. It helps us to perform, it helps us to run the analysis, and it helps for the accuracy side. So it's done through API trading permission, and it's simple, straightforward. I can explain you more. Just reach out to me if you think this is a good option for you. Have a good time around it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll talk to you soon.